A lady is usually associated with chic dignity and impeccable manners. May these qualities be said for the parrot in front of me? I have some doubts. The black-capped Lory, which is involved here in Polish, is called the Blue-bellied Lady. I don't know why. Its belly is certainly blue. But can this bird be referred to as a lady? We must say that its behavior is certainly familiar rather than associated with high society. These birds bustle about all the time. The black-capped lories become emotionally attached to their guardians, but they are quite picaresque. They don't tolerate any other birds in their territory, being aggressive towards them. Black-capped lories are native to New Guinea. They belong to the genera of lories and lorikeets. Lories and lorikeets are not popular birds in our homes yet. The best known are the present here black-capped lory, its close cousin the chattering lory, as well as the slightly smaller rainbow lorikeet. Other species are for connoisseurs rather, being uncommon in our country yet. Therefore, they only occasionally occur in aviculture. Lories require a fairly specific kind of food. In the wild they feed on flower, nectar, flowers, fruits, not despising insects. In captivity we supply them mainly with ready mix specially developed for birds of this kind, but concentrating only on this ready-made food is a big mistake. Yes, the mixture substituting nectar we supply every day, but we need to supplement them with soft fruit, sprouted grains, biscuits as well as small amounts of animal protein mainly in the form of insect larvae. It's beautifully colored. Its plumage has a metallic luster. This specimen is still a young, not fully colored bird. Nevertheless, in a few months its still plumage will take truly great colors, shimmering in the sun with all shades of the rainbow. Black-capped lories are considered to be one of the quietest species of lories, and therefore recommended as companion birds, provided that they have been, from the outset, brought up by a human. It likes such direct contacts with its guardians. It is very delicate, very nice, very cozy. Lories have a very good ability to imitate. This black-capped lory is considered as one of the best imitators of sounds among lories, and as one of the best imitators among parrots. They are very social, establish close relations with people, and grow emotionally attached to their guardians. They are really very good companion birds. However, if we have this parrot species, we have to give up keeping other birds, since lories are very territorial, especially males. They are able to establish good relations with their guardians, but when it comes to other parrots, they unfortunately won't tolerate them in their proximity.
Ale jeżeli chodzi o inne papugi, to już niestety, ale nie będą tolerować w swojej bliskości.